On the digital platform GEDA Central, the first user of an account is capable to invite other persons of the company. Select the tab My Company. Click the User Management. Implement the parameters of the person: the salutation, the first name, the surname, the email address, and the department. To send the automatic invitation email to Tom Atkins, click the button Create. To manage the permission of the GEDA Central users, select the person and click the button Edit. You can define the permissions of the user, manage the right to add other users, get access to the GEDA shop, or to perform calculations of the GEDA installation designer.